Hello, Kenta friends. In this video, we will be discussing the top wedding invitation card maker applications for Android. Whether you're planning your own wedding or helping friend, these apps are perfect for creating unique and personalized wedding invitations. Let's dive in. Invitation Card Maker. Invitation Card Maker is one of the best applications for creating wedding invitations on the Android platform. This application provides a variety of template options with attractive and diverse designs. Users can choose a template that suits their wedding theme, such as classic, modern, romantic, or minimalistic designs. In addition, users can customize the colors, fonts, and layouts of the invitation to their preferences. With an easy-to-use drag-and-drop feature, users can quickly add text, images, stickers, and other decorations to their invitations. Users can also freely adjust the layout and size of design elements. Wedding Card Maker. Wedding Card Maker is another useful application for creating wedding invitations creatively. This application offers a variety of elegant and romantic design options suitable for various types of weddings. Users can choose from various themes such as floral, vintage, minimalist, or luxurious to create invitations that match their style. Furthermore, Wedding Card Maker allows users to customize the format and layout of their invitations easily. Users can adjust text, colors, sizes, and font types to create unique and personalized invitations. The app also supports digital invitation sending. Invitation Card Maker Design. Invitation Card Design is a design application that allows users to create wedding invitations with their personal touch. This application offers various design features that enable users to express their creativity freely. Users can create invitation designs from scratch or choose from various templates provided. With support for various design elements such as fonts, colors, images, stickers, and shapes, users can create unique and attractive wedding invitations. The app also provides options to save and share invitation designs with friends and family. To wrap it up, these 3 wedding invitation card maker applications offer a wide range of design options and customization features to help you create the perfect wedding invitation. Thank you for watching and happy designing!